Today is the day that we head to Parker, Colorado for the IBC conference. We're also gonna go check out Breckenridge, Colorado. I am excited. Beautiful, beautiful morning. I'm about to leave in about half an hour or so. There's so much that I love about Colorado. The weather, scenery, it's beautiful. The food there is actually incredible. Pretty much every year we do go on a family vacation out there, but these last 2 years we actually have not. We will be in Parker and then we'll be in Breckenridge Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then we head back on Sunday. So yeah, man, I'm pumped. I'll catch you guys soon. From A to Z Music.
We are from A to Z Music. April, Zach, if you didn't catch it. You can check us out on FromAToZmusic.com. And I think we are here. And ready?
So we are about to head to Breckenridge. We are about to leave Parker right now. 2-hour trip. We're ready to snowboard.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, chair.
Out of my face.
Both me and April, the very first time to snowboard. I'm excited. I'm ready. We have made it to Breckenridge, Colorado. As you can see here, it's snowy, snowing. I'm excited to get unloaded. Here we go. I know, we did not come prepared with the right clothing or nothing. We still have on Oklahoma winter weather. This is Colorado winter weather, huh? Here we are, we're walking downtown. This is a store that we were just in to buy our snowboard gear. Cool little thrift shop really. Way over there you can see the mountains. And I don't know if you guys can see the faces of the people, but they look like mine. Breathing real hard because we're up super high, 10,000 feet elevation. And yeah, but this is a nice, cute, quaint town. And on either side, we've got some stores and shops over there too.
And who's that black Santa for? I don't care. I know Santa ain't black. I could care less. I want Christmas. Just give me plain baby Jesus lying in a manger Christmas.
Think this will be warm enough for our walk around town?
I think so.
I think I need my big coat I just got.
It's definitely gonna be chilly though. Make sure that's turned off.
8.
I'm just paying the park here.
sushi bar. So my sushi, I had the California roll.
Yeah.
So good though. So if you're coming to Breckenridge, definitely check it out. Now what else do we have? The pad thai fried
Yeah,
rice.
this stuff. Ooh, man, that stuff was amazing. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
Tim,
you.
thank you so much, man. Yeah, this was probably some of the best Thai food. I mean, like the rice. I got the spicy ahi tuna roll, or however you say that, and it was really good, really spicy. It's not super expensive, but it's not cheap. Yeah, it was incredible. I loved it.
Nice and quaint.
Yeah, nice and quaint.
Hey, I don't have to turn it off.
How do you not know how to turn it off?
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da.
We're ready. We're ready to do this. Those, all the snowboards right there. This one's April's. This one's mine. I'm gonna have the GoPro probably like half on there and half on my helmet right here. So, ready. All right, we are headed up to walk. Here we go. It's Krill. She's ready. And I'm already breathing hard, guys. It's cold. Here we go. First, what we're gonna do is actually take some private lessons first. And then, if Zach's ready, then we'll actually go do this for real, for real.
I'm for real. I'm for real.
Now this is my type of slope, Curtis.
Gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. Man, that's tough. That's tricky.
Easy? If it was easy, there'd be no Kerry Washington. If it were easy, there'd be no Denzel Washington. So, keep working, keep striving, never give up, fall down 7 times, get up 8. Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship.
You look good.
Thank you, baby. It was fun.
Relax. Just manage to tilt your snowboard. Beautiful. Easier with more slope, isn't it?
Yeah. God, this is way easier.
Turn to a stop. Yeah, baby.
Wow.
You see how you just turned across the fall line?
Yeah. All right, guys. So we just conquered
3 hours.
3 hours of learning how to snowboard. So this is our trainer, Curtis Farrington. You guys go follow him, and he was incredible. Curtis, what's your handle? Your Instagram handle, or?
It's at Curtro. C-U-R-T-R-O.
Yes. Yes.
And we'll link in here where you can find this specific private lesson.
Yep.
And then we'll put his name down here too.
Yep.
He was awesome, so you guys make sure you check him out.
This trip has been fantastic. It's been so fun, all around good trip. We are headed back to Oklahoma City soon. Loved it.